What's up, niggas? This is Willie Mack, and this is the debut episode of Cooking Shit in the Microwave. Healthy choice. Barbecue, my favorite. See how to do that shit. Shit taking a long ass time. This shit better look like this shit in the picture. If not, I'm gonna be mad. Oh yeah. Damn, it's done. Hell yeah. This motherfucker got a fork in it already too? Oh hell yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Like my shit ready. Take a piece of this one. Man. You know what? This shit need a little bit more flavoring. I got just a thing too. Oh hell yeah, take a little bit of this. What else we got? Oh yeah, black pepper. Get some of this. Got this cheese. A little bit of this shit. Need something else. Hot sauce. Oh yeah. Top of Negro. There we go. This is the bomb shit right here. Couple dabs of that. Probably a little bit more. Now that shit should be ready for me to devour in a couple minutes. Yes. Greatness turned out perfect, just the way I like it. If you like to eat like me, that shit is the business. Oh yeah, y'all can catch me back again for more cooking shit in the microwave with Willie Mack. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, baby. Right here. Getting your grub on.